Okay, everyone. So here's our pastry chef all the way from Lano, Bulacan. No, he's from Malaysia.
Really? We're from Malaysia.
Say milk.
Pinang.
Penang? KL.
My name is Pitch Christine. I'm from Philippines.
Kainis, no?
Nabudol mo na no?
By the way, welcome to the ship's table. I'm in charge for the entire operation of the pastry section on board.
Wow.
Wow.
This is from the bakery section.
Oh, sila yung special.
Yes. What we have for tonight, we have chocolate crumbles, brownies, and chocolate mousse, and cherry on top. I hope you enjoy and good evening and enjoy.
Teka, sir. Chef? Taga Bicol ka ba?
No.
Sige, hulaan sino makahula.
From Ilocos.
Quezon.
Bacolod.
Cebu.
Sa Gihapon.
Cebu.
I'm from Mindoro.